What is the full form of LED? हाँ जी, light emitting diode. बिल्कुल ठीक है बेटा. You can also put on your questions. Second question इधर से आ रहा है. What is the thin wire in the bulb? What is the thin wire in the bulb made of? This is given by Aditi. Provided you know the answers also, beta. Hanji. Team B will answer. What is the thin wire in the bulb made of? What is it called? It is called as the filament of the bulb. What is it made up of? Tungsten. Tungsten. All right. Okay. Next question. Hanji, आप पूछिए बेटा. Which symbol? You can also ask them to write down or represent the symbol of the bulb. Bulb or cell? Cell. हाँ बिल्कुल बुक बंद होनी चाहिए बेटा जी. All of you must close down your books. Vidya Paul, come and draw here. Represent cell with positive and negative terminal. Indicate positive and negative terminal. Very good. Indicate positive and negative. Very good. Shabash. This is how we represent cell. This is the positive and negative terminal. All right. Anji beta Neha. You have to close your books and keep the questions ready in some other paper or some rough note. Beta, you have to be little louder. I can't hear you. This is already indicated here. Ask some other question. ये तो already हमने बता दिया. Longer one is positive here. Same question was asked. हाँ जी. An electric bell has dash. हाँ जी. It has an electromagnet. Okay. Okay, fine. हाँ जी, राघव. हाँ जी. Bulb is switch on. You have to draw it, represent it. हाँ जी. I want Bhumish to come here. You will draw the symbol for bulb on. Bulb is in switch on position. ये तो सारा बनाएगा. आदित्य का. ये तो ऊपर वाला बना. Erase कर दो. ऊपर ठीक है. देखिए यहाँ से is connected. The filament is connected. That will make it flow. All right. Next one, Hanji beta. Full form of CFL. Beta ji, you have to close the books, my dear. CFL. Okay, we'll ask just now. Verleen, abhi theek hai. You can write down here in the chat box full form of CFL. Team B, no. Minus 0.5. Minus 1. C, D, Anji. Compact fluorescent lamps. So full form of CFL is compact fluorescent lamp. Rest of the things सबके common ही है, जिनके marks reduce या increase हो रहे हैं. Okay, next one is the question coming from online. Wires that melt and break, wires that melt and break when excess current is passed through them are called Beta ji, this is an extra question. Any team who raises hand first and answers first will get 1 marks extra. Wires that melt and break when excess current is passed through them. Hanji, Harman. Hanji, fuse wire. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Team B will get. ये वाला point आपका cancel हो गया. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Very good. Now it is turn for team Hanji beta. No, your turn. Hanji. Jasmeet, jaldi se beta. What? Define electric bell. You know the answer? You know the answer? जो आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं उसका आंसर भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. Ask some other question. You cannot define an electric bell. परमवीर, you will also get chance. हाँ जी, चलिए आप पूछिए परमवीर. बैठ जाओ. What? What are the components of the circuit? Hriday Paul. Bulb, switch, cell. That's it. Wires. Connecting wires are also required. Connecting wires are also required. All right. Very good. Next question is Hanji beta. Nureet. Hanji. Name the person who first observed the deflection in compass needle when it was placed in the circuit. Hanji beta. Oyster. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Next question is to be asked by Mridul.
Full form of MCB.
Full form of MCB. Beta Paramveer. Smiling will not help. MCB. So MCB. MCB. Hanji Bhumish. Miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker. Very good. Next question is coming online. The dash. Acha, when an electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a dash. When an electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a dash. Who is going to answer first? Who raised the answer first? परमवीर बताइए. हाँ जी हरमन. Magnet. Okay, next one. Next one, हाँ जी बेटा. It is हाँ आदित्य. Draw a closed circuit. Team B. बेटा जी हरमन. No. Who will come and draw the closed circuit? परमवीर आइए. आधा काम तो मेरा है. Mark should be with me. क्लोज सर्किट. ठीक है, आ जाइए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. परमवीर. ओके. हरमन. This coil of wire is called what? All heating devices have a coil of wire. What is it called as? Close the books. Ayush. Ayush. Anji beta. Team C is not going to answer. Team B will ask question and team B will answer. Team C. No. Team D. No. Anji. Team A. No. Umesh. Element. But you will not get because it is passed on. Okay. Next one is, next question is coming from Anji. Enough. Question before she asks, why should we not? Dhyan se sunna. The one who raises hand first will be asked, will be given chance first. Why should we not keep the switch in on position for a long time in the circuit? Anji. Bulb will fuse. आप पहले सेल बोल रहे हैं फिर बल्ब बोल रहे हैं. ध्यान रखिए क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप. एक सेकंड बेटा. हाँ जी. बेटा जो आप कहना चाहते हो, द इलेक्ट्रिक सेल विल. हाँ, the cell will be used up. Cell will be used up. It is not due to extra heat. It is the bulb. It is the cell which will be used up quickly. So no one. नहीं, time team B को दे देते. Very good. All right, beta ji. What is the question, my dear? Name two effects of electric current. हाँ जी बेटा. बिल्कुल ठीक. Heating effect and magnetic effect. शाबाश. Now it is team D to ask. Standard mark on a product is called as dash. IC. ICI. ICI. ISI. Sorry. ISI. So your chance is gone. It is ISI. All right. Next one. Next one, beta. हाँ जी बेटा. Again बेटा. This question has been asked. I want. Okay, please ask Niyamat. Dash is a safety device which prevents damages to electric circuits and possible fires. Very good. Fuse. Very good. You have missed it, my dear. All right. Next question, Harman. Anji. Anji. CFL contains dash which is dash in nature. CFL contains dash, which is dash in nature. ऐसा कैसा question है? CFL contains dash vapors, which are dash in nature. Very good. अब थोड़ा सा better है. Team C? No? Team B? No? Team A? Bhumesh? Which are toxic in nature. Shabash. They contain mercury vapors, which are toxic in nature. Very good. Next question is sponsored by Miss Aditi, roll number 29. What is ISI mark refers to? What does it stand? It's not full form I'm asking. I'm asking you what is the significance of ISI mark? Hanji, Anureet. Material is checked by whom? By me? Government?
Who made the budget?
It is she's given the answer to ISI mark on electric product is assurance of conformity to the specifications given on the product. That means it has been checked thoroughly कि जो उसके ऊपर specifications दी हुई हैं about the amount of heat, electricity is consuming, the other things which are mentioned have been checked and they are right. All right, sit down. Okay. Next question is coming again, sponsored by Manya. All heating objects have a coil which is called as. Question is already done. It is called as element. Very good. Okay. Next one. Next turn is from team Hriday Paul. Beta ji. Hriday Paul, I can't hear you. You have to lift the book up and then ask question.
What are the types of switches which are automatically turned on when the circuit exceeds the safe limit?
When the current exceeds the safe limit, what are the kind of switches that automatically turn off, right? Your question is that? Very good, Hanji. They are called as MCB or miniature circuit breakers. Shabash. Next question is to be asked by Arav. What are electromagnets? Shabash. Hanji. Electromagnets are used in electric bells. Hanji, team B. Bhumesh wants to answer. Okay. I hope you've got the answer. Okay, next question is that's it, beta, for today. Prepare